What I love about a raised bed like this is that it brings all the plants much nearer to you. You can sit on the side, it's really easy to garden for old geezers like me, and it's just a really nice way of growing a selection of plants that you love. If you've got really bad soil, for instance, you moved into a new home and you're limited in space perhaps, by creating a raised bed, it lifts the soil above the old rubbish underneath and you can fill it with whatever compost or soil that you like. Now this raised bed is a BlocX raised bed, fantastic organisation. They create all these individual blocks, they're pressure treated so they're going to last for 20 years plus. You build it together, a bit like Lego actually, to gradually get the height and the size you want. It's all pressure treated timber so you can fill it with soil and this bed will last years and years, and it's really good fun to actually build yourself. And in a fairly short time you've created a wonderful raised bed that you can grow pretty much anything you want. Now we've created a lovely diverse mixture of evergreens, shrubs and perennials. It's been an incredible hive of activity right through the summer with bees, butterflies and various insects, and it's actually looked fantastic for 12 months of the year. And it was so easy to do, even I could do it.